English for Everyone. Coursebook. Level 3, Intermediate. Lesson 16.
He is picking up litter. He is picking litter up.
He is cutting down trees. He is cutting trees down. She gave out the town maps. She gave the town maps out.
The theater is putting a show on. We'll pick the shopping up. Those people are giving out leaflets. Can you check the menu out? They're filling in that hole in the road. I'm taking those library books back.
Take up. Cleaned up. Try out. Find out. Show off. Sold off.
He is picking it up.
She's looking it up. They're closing it down. She's renting it out. He's cleaning it up. He's showing it off. They tore it down.
Government building. Law court. Shopping mall.
Shopping center. Shopping center.
Skyscraper. Art gallery. Pharmacy.
Chemist. Chemist.
Tourist office.
Tourist information. Tourist information.
Amenities. Sites. City center. Commercial district. Tourist attraction. Historic quarter.
Hi, Joe. So how was your vacation?
Hi, Tom. It was great. I did so many fun things and saw some incredible places.
What did you do first?
Well, I didn't know the city at all before I arrived, so the first thing I did was go to the tourist office where they were very helpful.
Good idea. Where did they suggest you go?
They suggested the medieval law courts located in the historic quarter, which I saw on my second day there. I really loved that. But I also loved the city's art gallery, which I visited the next day. There were some wonderful paintings and sculptures there.
That sounds great, especially the law courts.
Yes, it was amazing. Oh, and I got totally lost in the commercial district near the end of my trip, and ended up seeing some pretty impressive government buildings.
You did a lot.
Yeah, I was a little tired on the last day, so I headed for the shopping mall and went shopping. I got some great bargains.
Well, I'm glad you enjoyed yourself.
Polluted. Unspoiled. Bustling. Crowded. Unsafe. Friendly. Vibrant. Dull.
End of lesson 16.